Sammy, catch!
Whoa! Now you catch!
Oh no!
I guess you're right, Roger. Playing frisbee at home wasn't my greatest idea.
Ugh, look what a mess we've made, buddy. Okay, clean us up, and I'll go to the store to buy a replacement.
Guys, what's going on? What?
Uh-oh.
Oh, my beauty bag, what happened?
Susie, don't panic. Just a tiny accident. Roger already went to the store. Oh, that must be him.
Whoa, Roger, what's all this?
It's for you. I didn't find the same makeup you use, but you don't need any.
Yeah, you're beautiful just as you are.
Oh, you guys, that's so sweet of you. I'm gonna unbox these right now.
I'm coming with you, and, Roger, you know where we keep our mop.
What? Sammy?
Hi, guys. Check out how many packages we'll unbox today.
Yeah, it looks like Roger felt extremely guilty and went wild in that store.
Oh, really, Sammy? I thought you both had your hands in that beauty bag accident. Don't you feel sorry?
Well, of course I do. That's why I'll help you with this Rainbow Surprise Makeup Surprise unboxing.
Okay, let's get started. Check out these colors, guys. They're so sparkly. I'm gonna start with this one. Look, we'll have more than 10 surprises in each package, and there are more than 15 lipsticks to collect. Here are the instructions. We'll find a lip gloss and eyeshadows inside. Then we'll make slime and add makeup and scent to it. So cool! To open this giant lipstick, let's see. Oh, we need to push the bottom like this. Oh!
Come on, unroll it.
Whoa, so many surprises are waiting for us.
So these purple baggies are so shimmery. This playset really looks festive. Am I right, guys? Give a thumbs up if you agree.
Check out this, guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baggies. There's a spoon, a lip gloss, a slime, and some scented pearls. Whoa.
Don't you think these baggies aren't enough, Sue? Maybe something's hiding inside this lipstick.
Let's check it out then. Oh, our lipstick not only pops up, but also comes off. You're an amazing detective, Sam. I guess that's a slime container which you can easily take with you anywhere you go. Awesome. More surprises? Let's take everything out. Here come the instructions and the collector's guide.
I'll take care of it, Susie. Keep going with the unboxing.
Thank you. Oh, I'm so thrilled, guys. I think there's a lip gloss in this baggie. Let's open it. Alrighty, drum roll. Whoa, it's violet. So unusual. I'm gonna try it on my hand. Oh, wow. It is so sparkly. Now we'll check out the eyeshadow. I think it's in here. I have a feeling it's gonna be really cool. It's a violet raccoon with a unicorn horn. We'll open it up to find violet eyeshadow? That's amazing.
It's high time for the collector's guide. Susie, let's take this eyeshadow off.
Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, there she is. It's like she's saying, "You're turning violet, Violet."
Sue, I decided to help you just a little.
Oh, what's that, Sammy? Oh, it's a spoon and a measuring cup. We'll need them to make our slime.
And they perfectly match the top of the lipstick case. And now, it's slime time.
That's right, Sammy. To mix our slime, we'll take this lid off and then insert this part upside down right here like that. All right, be careful with scissors, guys. Now, we'll just pour the slime powder here. Then we'll add 2 portions of water. Just fill this measuring cup all the way to the line. There we go. And one more time. Voila! Perfect. Close it with the keychain and shake it well.
Shake it, Susie, shake it. Shake it.
Done. Okay, in 10 minutes we'll check up on our slime. Let's see. Whoa, this slime's awesome.
That's nothing special to me. A plain whitish substance.
Not for long, Sammy. We're gonna add color to it using our makeup. The lip gloss comes first. Now we'll take our little spoon and add shiny eyeshadow. We need to mix everything up. All right. Yep, like that. I'm gonna squeeze it really well.
We'll make it shiny and smooth.
That's right. Guys, the slime is a bit sticky, but don't worry, just keep kneading. Do you like it better now, Sammy?
Definitely, Sue. The package says we can also add a scent to it. I have a feeling we need this baggie.
Oh, these must be scented pearls. Let's see. Ooh, there's another little box here. Shall we open it, Sam?
Oh, Sue, I'm so excited. Oh, it smells so good.
We're gonna use our spoon and a measuring cup to break the pearls up. Let's add one more. That way they'll blend with the slime better.
Don't use too much liquid if you don't want your slime to be watery.
That should be enough. Now we'll add this to our slime. A little bit more. And knead all of this once more really properly. Oh, this smells terrific. I love it.
Whoa!
Okay, this slime is ready. What's next, Sammy?
I really like these two colors, too. I can't decide between them.
That's okay, Sam. Let's just open them up simultaneously. So guys, now we're sure that the color of the lipstick identifies the color of the spoon inside the playset. Cool.
Susan, would you care to show us the makeup we've already got?
Of course, Mr. Strict Slime. Oh, it's a golden lip gloss. Okay, what about the eyeshadow? It's a cute little bear with a unicorn horn. We'll open it up. It's a honey gold eyeshadow.
Huh, that makes sense since bears are famous honey lovers.
And in the red lipstick, we found turquoise lip gloss. Love it! Speaking about the eyeshadow, meet our cutie panda. She's hiding this. Oh, turquoise eyeshadow.
Take them off, Susie!
Okay, Sammy. Well, let's see. We've got bamboozled panda, it's regular, and sweet as honey. That's a rare one.
Here, Susie, I already opened and mixed these for you.
Oh, you're so helpful today. Da-da-da-da, ba-ba-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, let's do the procedure a bit differently this time and add all the ingredients right away. Here comes a bit of the eyeshadow. Up. Turquoise goes here. And honey goes here.
Everything's ready, Sue. The pearls from the magenta lipstick smell like a tangerine, and this one I can't define.
Why is that? Oh, it smells like cinnamon. Now I'm thinking about freshly baked cinnamon rolls. Here come the tangerine pearls.
All we got left to do is the dirty job.
That's right. These slimes are so sticky.
Sue, don't forget this one, too.
Sure.
While Sue's busy, I'll summarize. We've got a bear in the magenta lipstick and a fox in the red one.
Whoa. Come on, Sammy, bring the rest of them here while I'm finishing up with this one. Ah, you're so cool.
Ugh, Sammy, do this. Sammy, do that. It's only the middle of the unboxing and I'm already tired.
Then you can have a little rest. Guys, give a thumbs up to support Sammy.
Yeah, you can also subscribe if you want.
So we have green, turquoise, and blue lipsticks. I can't wait to open them. Shall we use magic? Whoa, so many cool things.
And I'll use my magic to mix up the slime. Whoosh!
Check this out, guys. All these slimes are ready. We only need to decorate them. What a beautiful aquamarine lip gloss.
Oh, I'd like to go to the sea.
Let's see the eyeshadow box. Check out this cute mouse. And inside, oh, there's aquamarine eyeshadow. Awesome.
Sue, let me take care of the pearls this time.
All right, Sammy. In the meantime, I'm gonna deal with the turquoise playset. Ooh, check out this spoon.
Choo!
Sammy, what happened to you?
I went in to check on Roger to see if he cleaned the mess, and it turns out he didn't finish it yet.
That's okay. Check out this cute jaguar, Sammy. Let's open it. Oh, what a beautiful color. It reminds me of grass in the spring.
Choo, I broke up all the pearls. Check it out. These smell like the sea, these like lime, and these I don't really get.
Okay, let me smell. Interesting. Smells like licorice. But hey, we still need to see the blue first. Oh, just look at this thundercloud with a horn. Let's open it. Oh, what a beautiful color.
Choo, maybe Roger deserves to unbox these too.
What a brilliant idea, Sammy.
Yay, I'm gonna teach him everything.
You know, guys, I've been thinking, even though this whole playset is totally cool, I still lack my makeup right now. Why don't I take these lip glosses for myself? And which eyeshadow to choose? This one. I love it. Now we can start. Here we go. Let's tick everything off. We've got Chasing Dreams, Airy Clouds, and Squeak Chic.
Oh, I'm right in time.
Whoa, guys, check out these cute eyeshadow boxes. This is a funny sun with a rainbow, and this one looks like a pineapple. Cute. Looking fine, apple, and everything's coming up rainbow.
Oh, Roger opened the baggies with the lip glosses without me, and now I'm not sure which one came in which set.
Oh, that's okay, Sammy. They both look very beautiful and sparkly. I love them.
We also found... Oh, I forgot to bring that here. I'll use magic to show ya. I'm faster than the wind.
Oh, wow, guys, check out all this beauty. So here we have a strawberry slime. What about this one? Ooh, it smells like lime. Today's unboxing is really something, guys. Mesmerizing. Hey, Roger, I heard you like these playsets.
Sue, I didn't know these makeup items could be useful for creating slimes.
You bet, Rog. If you want to know more about slimes, ask me.
All right, Sammy.
There are so many more characters. We need to have a full collection. Maybe we should mess with your beauty bag more often.
Oh, Sammy, come on.
These guys never know when I'm kidding. Bye, everyone.